Breast milk is like a first treasure. For every baby, it is unique, precious, and full of love. Today, I want to talk about why breast milk is so important and how a manual breast pump can help you use it more flexibly. The pump has a simple design: a breast shield, a collection container, and a handle. After thorough cleaning, assemble all the parts correctly and the pump is ready to use. But the most important thing remains breast milk itself. It contains all the nutrients a baby needs and naturally adapts to different stages of development. In addition, breast milk provides antibodies that strengthen the immune system and support healthy weight gain. Breastfeeding or pumping is not just about nutrition. It is a moment of closeness, comfort, and bonding between mother and child. Every feeding is also a moment of security and love. I understand that modern mothers face many challenges. Work, appointments, and daily responsibilities often leave very little time. In such situations, a manual breast pump can be a valuable help. It gives you freedom while still giving your baby the very best they can receive. My wish is that every mother is able to provide breast milk for as long as possible. It is the first gift, the strongest foundation, and the most beautiful connection between you and your baby. Thank you for listening.